When you think about saving, what comes to mind? A bank account, maybe a spreadsheet. We all have goals, big and small, that dream holiday, a new gadget, or even just building up an emergency fund. But keeping track of them all in one place can be, well, a bit of a mess. Enter Raiz Jars. So, what exactly are they? Think of them as digital piggy banks, but for your investment goals. They're a feature within the Raiz app that lets you separate your money into different virtual compartments, each dedicated to a specific goal. Instead of one big lump sum in your account, you can create a jar for your travel fund, another for your car deposit, and a third for future fun. It's all about intentional saving. By assigning a specific purpose to your money, you make it more meaningful. You're not just saving, you're building towards something tangible. And here's the best part, you can set a target amount and a deadline for each jar. Let's say you want to save $5,000 for a trip to Japan in 2 years. You create a Japan trip jar, set your goal, and Raiz will help you track your progress. You can see how close you are to your target and watch your savings grow, which is incredibly motivating. Jars are completely customizable. You can name them whatever you like and even add a picture to make them feel more personal. Want to save for my first apartment? Or maybe a new gaming PC? You got it. The visual element makes the whole process more engaging and less like a chore. But Raiz Jars aren't just for saving, they're for investing. Any money you put into a jar is automatically invested according to your chosen Raiz portfolio. This means your money isn't just sitting there, it's working for you, potentially earning returns over time. It's the perfect combination of short-term goal setting and long-term wealth building. You can move money between jars easily, add to them with one-off contributions, or set up recurring deposits. The flexibility is a game changer. It takes the stress out of managing multiple savings goals and puts you in control. So, whether you're saving for a down payment, a new phone, or just a rainy day, Raiz Jars can help you get there. They transform your saving and investing from a blurry number on a screen into a clear, exciting journey. Start building your goals, one jar at a time.